For the horn back there.
Oh, it was an accident. Yeah.
Can I undo my seatbelt? Sure. It's my truck.
Probably try to keep that handy, man.
I just put it in there, but I pulled out the other stuff the other day, so I got mixed up. But it's in here for sure. I just got it. Is it to my quad or to the truck? I'm too drunk to read that.
2000.
For insurance, sir?
Yeah, I do.
Fake.
Is it in here, maybe?
No, it's not in there. It's in here because I just had to call and have them give me. Oh, there it is.
Was the speedometer not working? Is that there?
No, that's why my GPS is because that just broke.
That just broke?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you.
I'm 99% sure we just gave up. I looked at my turn to fly to see if he did.
I wonder if he's thinking, okay, I wonder if...
But I told him my dad's was right there paid for it. The new sticker's not on there, but I already called him and I told him, like, he's like, order them online. They're like, oh, it's covered. It's online. Train on a while to look at
Before we leave, we try to get one again.
What do we get pulled over for?
I'm still videotaping.
What do we get pulled over for? That's what I want to know, though.
He's going to tell you when he brings you a ticket. Illegal use of train horn.
You illegally use the trainer.
Hey, I work for the railroad. It's okay.
It was a present from my father. He worked in the railroad.
I'm a horn
years.
technician. I'm trying to be a journeyman.
I said it was
Ticket.
an accident.
It was an accident.
Can't help your knee hit the fucking button.
Oh, shit.
You guys wanted to go home. What would you write a ticket for?
Being black on a Friday.
I thought we got away with that shit.
Yeah, if we would have went to Sherry's, we would have for sure.
Should have gone to Sherry's.
Louise, what do you think about train horning?
Here, I'll show you.
Please don't.
Are we having a good time, boys? Train horn, best thing ever invented. See those flashing lights? Good times. Note to yourself, do not press train horns when people are getting
Dude, I dare you to get out to the right and run as hard as you can and try to jump that fence.
You turned into it. What were you running for, sir?
I thought to take a fucking left and start running across the freeway.
At least I asked on what the
Dude, hey, if he comes back, just tell him you're smuggling white people.
Hey,
Right now they're like, what can we give him a ticket for? That's all he's
Yeah,
saying.
he's listening, guaranteed.
They'll be like, is this thing on? Oh, this is when we have to learn.